Okay, this video we're going to cover the replacement of the 103055 extender for the Banner 2 and 3 handle tub and shower faucets. This will cover series 630, 640, 130, 140, 160, and 170 tub and shower faucets. First thing you want to do is make sure your water is turned off to the unit or to your house. You may also want to open up a separate faucet close by, such as a lavatory faucet or Roman tub faucet, to relieve any back pressure. The tools you will need are a Phillips head screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, and something with a thin blade such as a pocket knife to remove the handle on the 130, 140, 160 series. So going back to the 630 or 640 series, as I mentioned, first you want to make sure your water is turned off. Next, you want to loosen the lever insert slightly. Then the top cap, which is located here on top of the handle, you want to remove this top cap. It unthreads, set it aside where it's not going to fall down in the tub or down the drain. Inside the handle is a Phillips head screw. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, you'll want to loosen that screw. Once it's loosened, the handle will pull straight off. Set it aside. You are now looking at the extender. Next, what you'll want to do is remove the flange or escutcheon that goes up against the wall. If you have an older style one which slips on, you'll have to probably break it loose from between the wall and the escutcheon. Maybe get behind it with a sharp edge such as a razor blade in case there's any silicone or any sealant behind it, and pull it straight off. This style, if you have the threaded style, will just unscrew, just unthread it, and slip it off, set it aside. Now you're looking at the sleeve. Using an adjustable wrench, turn it counterclockwise, loosen the sleeve, and unthread the sleeve and remove it. You will find a white Teflon washer that will be sitting on the front of the extender. That is there simply to make the faucet turn, the handle turn on and off more easily and prevent any squeaking noise. It really doesn't have anything to do with the function of the faucet. If it's missing, that's okay. So remove that if you have it, set it aside. Remove the old extender. Replace it with your new extender. It'll only go on in one position due to the D-post shape of the cartridge stem. Put your Teflon washer back on. Again, if you don't have it, it's okay. Next, thread your sleeve back onto the unit. Using a wrench, tighten it and get it snug. Don't be sure not to over torque it, because you can strip the threads. Okay, next, I'm going to put my escutcheon back on. Get it down to where it comes up against the wall, and I'm just going to hand tighten it. I'm not going to put a wrench on it and get it over tightened. Replace the handle and screw. Make sure it seats correctly. I'm going to tighten the screw with a Phillips head screwdriver. Again, get it snug. Don't over torque it. I'm going to replace the cap. Tighten up my lever insert. Make sure it functions correctly. Next, I'm going to go and turn on my water source. Turn the faucet on. Let it run for about a minute. Make sure there's no any debris or scaling coming through the system that might might cause the shower head to get clogged up or anything. And you're good to go. If you have one of the 130, 140, 160, or 170 series with acrylic handles, the procedure is the same. You'll simply want to use something like a pocket knife with a sharp edge to get underneath the cap, the index button or cap, to remove it. And then you'll have access to the handle screw. And then when you put these back on, they should snap back on. Some people use some clear fingernail polish to help keep them on in case they ever have to break it off again. It'll easily be removed. If you have any questions, you can contact us at 877-235-9008 or at bannerfaucets.com. Thank you.